Hey, good afternoon. Thank you very much. This is Martin Grunberg, uh, I guess designer, creator of the Habit Factor app, and this video is a bit overdue. So I want to get into a few things, and I'm actually demoing in the simulator the latest version that we're working on. So let's just jump right in. Those of you who are familiar with the app know when it launches, you have a password protection option. This is in the iPhone version. When you also have the option, to open to a quote. So you can go through the quotes. If you like a quote, I love this quote, I can go ahead and paste it to Facebook now. And I'm going to go ahead and blast that to Twitter. And then I'm going to jump into the app. This is for the settings. And by the way, those quotes are random. Then you open up into your the app operates from the tracking menu. You set up goals. So I'm going to click on this. This is X books per month by the end of the year. You can change the status. You can update that. You can add a photo. So why, the motivation, why you want to achieve your goal. We'll go ahead and add Wonkers right there. Sweet. And then that's exciting. And then when you want to achieve the goal by, and whether you want to share that with social sites, and the associated habits that are going to drive this. And these are the current active ones as I'm tracking. So it just started, but I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then the habits are, you set these up. So if it's meditation, for instance, you can select the minimum amount of time, why you want to do it, what are the associated goals, and your start date and your end date, and then the days of the week, and then of course you save that, and what type of habit. And the beauty is, it's just such a simple app, so when you close it, and hopefully this works, when you open it, 1212, the high-tech password. I love that quote too. This is killing me. I'll just tweet that. So when you go, you're right in the track menu. Bam, you get in. Did I do this? Check, 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 check. I could track in form view if I had notes to add. Very peaceful on the mountain top. And then I can go back to list view, and then I'm out of the app. Bam. I probably shouldn't have done that because the whole point of this is to show you the charting. So once again, we got to jump back in and put in the password. Go, and hopefully before I run out of time, I'm going to run a chart tied to the books per month at a percent graph. Make my end date the 17th because I have some prior tracking data, and just move this back to something like, this is a little tough to do, and it's quite a bit easier when you're working on the phone versus the simulator. Check that off, generate the chart, and the beauty is, this is the power of the app. So I can go ahead and email this, but I can see at a glance those habits that are driving this goal over here, and what my percent tracking is by each habit, and the overall percent. Now my percent looks really low because I'm actually tracking on my phone, not in the simulator. This is just for test purposes. But there you have it. You can then shoot yourself an email, and then you have this chart tracking data towards your goal in your email for archive purposes. So there you have it. I'm running out of time. I'm going to sign off, but that is the power of the habit factor. That's the power of habit alignment technology, aligning your habits to achieve your goals. Until next time, thanks for checking in. Bye.